In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Notion in 5 minutes. We'll start inside the Notion Calendar app. You can open it in your browser, and if you prefer a dedicated window with better performance, you can also download the desktop version. Both options work the same way, so choose whatever fits your workflow. When the app opens, sign in using your Google account. Notion Calendar is built around Google Calendar, so this sign in is required. If you have more than one Google account, pick the one that holds most of your events. You can add others in a moment. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the button that says Add Calendar Account. This is where you connect your Google Calendar or calendars. Approve the permissions so Notion Calendar can read and display your events. If you manage work and personal schedules separately, go ahead and connect each account. You'll be able to toggle calendars on and off, color code them, and see everything in one unified view. That alone can eliminate a lot of tab switching and missed meetings. Now let's connect Notion so your tasks and projects can appear on your schedule. Click your profile image to open settings. Here, choose Add a workspace and connect the Notion workspace you use for your pages and databases. If you're part of multiple workspaces, be sure to select the one that contains the content you want to schedule. You may be prompted to allow access. Go ahead and confirm so the sync can work properly. With the workspace linked, you can add a Notion database to the calendar. Choose the database that holds your tasks, projects, or content pipeline, anything you want to see on a timeline. For the sync to work correctly, make sure that database has a calendar view or a timeline view inside Notion. If it doesn't, open Notion, add one of those views to that database, and include a date property for your items. That tells Notion Calendar exactly when each item should appear. If you use date ranges for start and end times, confirm both are mapped in the database so your events block out the correct time on your schedule. At this point, your Google Events and Notion items should appear together. Use filters and colors to keep things readable and adjust your time zone and week start preferences and settings if needed. That's it. You've created a powerful connected calendar in Notion. If something doesn't show up right away, refresh the app and double check that the database view includes dates. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new streamlined setup.